Many men over the age of 50 keep their private habits secret, and some even feel guilt or shame about them. What they do not realize is that the way they have been masturbating for decades is no longer serving their body. Instead, it is silently draining energy, reducing sensitivity, and weakening erections. You might have noticed climax feels less satisfying, your stamina is shorter, and fatigue hits harder afterward. This is not only about age, hormones, or stress. It is about unconscious habits you trained your body into years ago. Today, I will show you why this happens and how you can retrain your body to restore strength, sensitivity, and stamina in your intimate life. Stay with me until the end, because the method I will share is based on proven science and can transform your performance at any age. If you care about your health as a man and want honest science-based information without taboos, subscribe to Man Health 360 right now. We share practical tools to keep you strong, confident, and informed. Now, let us go deeper into why this matters. Many men believe that masturbation in later years has no effect on health. Others assume that losing erection quality is unavoidable and must be blamed on aging alone. These are myths. Research from the National Institute on Aging shows that many age-related sexual problems are not caused by age itself but by long-term conditioning and preventable habits. Thinking that nothing can be done only keeps men trapped in decline. Studies in sexual medicine showed that up to 40% of men over 60 experience erectile difficulties. Research from the Journal of Sexual Medicine reports that repetitive high-friction masturbation reduces penile sensitivity over time, a condition known as penile desensitization. Neurologists explain that the brain and nervous system adapt to whatever stimulus is repeated. When stimulation is too aggressive, the body learns to only respond to that extreme input. This explains why many men find partner intimacy less satisfying than solo stimulation. It is not always about low testosterone. It is about the nervous system being trained incorrectly. Your nervous system adapts to patterns. The death grip style of masturbation trains your penis and brain to only climax under intense pressure. Partner sex rarely provides that level of force, so erections become unreliable and sensitivity fades. Blood flow is also critical. When the pelvic floor is tense and the body is hunched over, blood circulation to the penis is restricted, leading to weaker erections. On the other hand, deep breathing and relaxation activate the parasympathetic nervous system, the state responsible for pleasure and arousal. This is why posture and breath are more than minor details. They are central to sexual vitality. Phase 1 is foundation. Lie down or sit comfortably with a straight spine and relaxed shoulders. Breathe deeply for 1 full minute before any stimulation. This reduces cortisol and prepares the body for arousal. Phase 2 is method. Replace tight grip and speed with gentle, slow stimulation using an open hand and natural lubricant. Explore other sensitive areas such as the perineum and testicles. Focus on sensation, not on finishing quickly. Phase 3 is mastery. When you feel climax approaching, stop, breathe, contract the pubic muscle for 5 seconds, then release. Begin again once the urge fades. Practicing this edging method 2 to 3 times trains your body for control, stronger erections, and longer stamina. Pause for a moment and think about this. Have you felt that your sensitivity has decreased over the years? Have you noticed erections that do not last as long as they used to? Share your experience in the comments below, because open and honest discussion helps men learn from one another. With regular practice, sensitivity begins to return. Erections become firmer because of improved blood flow. Ejaculation becomes more controlled, and pleasure is felt across the body rather than being confined to a quick release. These are not empty promises. They are the natural result of retraining your nervous system and treating your body with respect. If this video was helpful, subscribe to Man Health 360 for more. Like the video, leave a comment, and share it with someone who will benefit. Your sexual life does not have to decline with age. You have the ability to retrain your body starting today.